What is it?
A Play-Doh set.
Is that double cool or single cool?
Double cool.
That's awesome.
Give me 2 thumbs up. No.
What about those over there? Whose are they?
No, I don't know.
Go read the names.
Daddy's. Those are Mother's.
Oh, then let's see what that one is. Let's open that one up. That's from you, isn't it?
Yeah.
Let me see. Okay, Dad, this is from Carly. Don't take any pictures of me. I look like crap.
I'm videotaping you.
Wow, don't take any pictures. Ah! That is so cute. I love it. Oh my gosh, that is so funny. Here, go put that over on the table. Put that up there on the table so it's right near the tree. There you go. No, don't. Okay.
Carly, thank you for the picture frame. That was very nice.
Yeah.
Mine.
Okay, whose present is that right there? No. I think it says my name.
I don't see anything.
Okay, let me look. It says to Mommy from Carly and Dad.
Another one?
What is that? What?
Cool!
It's a puzzle.
That is so funny that you got me the Edward one, because yes, it actually is a surprise, because yesterday I thought that you got me the one that was New Moon with Jacob, Bella, and Edward on it.
I can
like
help
that.
you with that puzzle. I can help.
I don't know if you can. It looks pretty hard.
I can do puzzles.
Thanks, babe.